This is a custom wreath, and she wanted the buffalo plaid, she wanted gold, um, she wanted the gold antlers, and it's really huge. It turned out really, really nice. It looks like it belongs in a cabin. It's really awesome. The only thing is these antlers here. I was going to put a big bow here. That didn't look good. So I have to get a fourth antler to put right here in this area. So as you can see, it just doesn't go not having that other antler. So, and she didn't want anything in the middle. That little hole there, she wants to be able to see through her peephole in the door. So there it is. It's very rustic. It's really pretty. I can't wait to get the other gold antler and put it in there. Ta-da! I like it. It's cute. It's huge. It is like super huge. Look how much it stands out from the door. Oops. I still have to fluff these ribbons and everything to be adjusted, but it's really cool.